It was 623 AD. The patrol of Buwat took place. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, personally led a force of approximately 200 men, composed of both the Muhajirun and the Ansar. This was notable as it was among the first expeditions where members of both groups participated together, reflecting the growing unity of the Muslim community. The Quraysh caravan, under the leadership of Umayyah ibn Khalaf, was substantial, reportedly accompanied by 100 armed men and transporting as many as 2,500 camels loaded with goods. The caravan was following the traditional trade route that passed through the region of Buwat. Upon receiving intelligence about the movement of the Quraysh caravan, the Prophet and his companions set out from Medina with the intention of intercepting it. Sa'd ibn Mu'az was appointed to manage affairs in Medina during the Prophet's absence. When the Muslims reached the area of Buwat, they found that the caravan had already altered its course. The Quraysh, having learned of the Muslim expedition through their scouts, took an untrodden route to avoid confrontation. As a result, no direct fighting occurred, and the Muslims returned to Medina without any spoils or casualties. The purpose of the patrol of Buwat are: assert the presence and strength of the Muslims in the region, undermine the economic power of the Quraysh, prepare the Muslims for larger confrontations, demonstrate that the Muslims were now a political and military force to be reckoned with.